Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from our end. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left on Thursday night. So when we were discussing this market, we marked this area as our area of short-term resistance and this area as our area of short-term support. So you guys can clearly see that market initially remained sideways. Then once market entered above our area of resistance, and once market just closed below from the top of the area of resistance, we could go short. So let me take this trade for you guys. So from the top area, once market closed below our area of resistance over here, we could go short from here, and our take profit will be approximately 2.8%, which is very good. And then once again market closed below our area of resistance, we could go short from here as well. So over here, so this trade would have given us a take profit of approximately 1.1%, which is not good or not really bad as well. Then once market really closed below our area of resistance, we could go short from here as well. But I think we would have hit our stop loss pretty soon. Okay, so our stop loss would be just above this candle, and our take profit will be approximately over. First of all, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here. This trade would have only given us a 1.1% profit, and then afterwards, once market closed above our area of resistance, then we could take a long position from here, but this would have hit our stop loss in the absurd candle, which was this one. So yes, so we would have hit our stop loss in this long scenario. And then as soon as market made this huge candle with the wicks on with huge wicks on both sides, then I would have preferred to stay out of the market as market started to give very abnormal moves ahead. Okay, over here this was an abnormal candle, then this was a very tricky candle, and then once again an abnormal candle which made no real sense. So I would have preferred to stay out of the market. And now let me mark new areas of support and resistance for you guys. So what we can do is that now the new area of resistance will be approximately this area. This area has been already tested twice over here and over here. And let me move this scenario ahead as well. And now let me mark the new area of support. So the support area will be approximately here, and yes, that's okay. So this area has been tested once and twice and thrice. So this area is a very strong area of support. For gold, so I think that this area might be tested tomorrow. So now let me move all these scenarios forward so you guys can easily do trading in this gold pair on Monday as well. And if there is anything else that you guys would like to know further, just let me know in the comment section, and I will make sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible. And if there is anything that you guys would like to learn from me, or any other thing that you guys feel that you guys can help me with in making it better, just to let me know your suggestion as well in the comments. So that's all for the marked scenarios. So just simply follow this key and you guys will be good to make some good profits on Monday as well. Okay, so that's all for today's video for the gold analysis. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. Thank you.